Hello everybody, I'm going to make this little message A video because I really need I need to stress the formatting and how to do the in-text citations. I'm sure you already know, but I just want to reiterate it. So take a look here. If you look at 6.7.11, this is what your essay should look like. You can watch this video more in depth. The heading, the model you choose to use, and then look how each paragraph is labeled. And again, if you want to, you can use pro-argument number 4 or 5 if you need to add more. Counter-argument and refutation or refuting, 1. If you need more, add 2. So this is based on model A. So you can choose any model that you want to. And then when you're doing the counter-argument refuting, I'm going to say, look at part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. I want your paragraph to look just like this. It looks odd, but that's the way I want it done. It's a good learning tool to make sure that you've covered all of the pieces for the counter argument and refuting. And then your closing, and then your works cited page. Your works cited page will come from your annotated bibliography. However, make sure it's in alphabetical order and only bring over the sources from your annotated bibliography that you used in the actual essay. And if I check the works cited and the AB, they don't match, it's going to be a 0. Everything must match. All right, and take a look here. Oh, I didn't put it in here. Okay, I want to go over in-text citations. Let's see. Oh, I don't have any here. Well, we can use this. So first of all, for in-text citations, you always want to introduce your article or whatever. And then we know this is from Crash Course, and then the time is here. So for my class, you always need to have an in-text citation. So let's say that, I'm going to go somewhere else. It'll make more sense if I actually show you. Okay, so this is an announcement I sent you guys a few days ago. But take a look here. When you're doing in-text citation, say that you're reading an article by me. So Howell 87 lets me know that this is on page 87. You don't need P period, you don't need page, you don't need anything. It's understood that if there is nothing, that you have an actual page. You're looking at a full text article. And so it's Howell 87. Now if you just put Howell, I'm not going to accept it. I'm going to make you go back, and then you're going to have to screenshot everything for me. So here, if there are no page numbers, put Howell paragraph 8. Count them. If you're close, I'm happy with it. It doesn't need to be dead on. So, but if I go to your source and I ask you to screenshot it, I should be able to count to paragraph 8. Now, if it's a long article and there are section headings, just put section learning about or whatever the section's called. And if you wanted to, you could do section learning about paragraph 3. Maybe you can count that for me. It's easier for me to find. I do look at the sources. So in my class, you always have to have Howell 87 with the page. If there's no page, use par 8. If it's a big section, use the section header. We can narrow it down from there. And if you don't have anything, you can just put Howell. I'm going to ask you to, again, screenshot that for me. And also take a look. Don't put Howell 2024. That's APA. Make sure you're using MLA. This course is based on MLA. Okay, everybody, I think this will help. I'm trying to give you some of the errors that students in the other class made. But if you watch the video on 6.7.11, that page, you will do really well. That goes in more depth. All right, thank you.